Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video. Do-rag snipers in the building. Comment do-rag snipe down below. Today, as you can see in the thumbnail and in the title, I have another early review for you guys, the Air Jordan 1 UNC. Now, it has been rumored that this nigga will be releasing sometime in March. The reason why I'm saying sometime is because everything is kind of getting pushed back right now. So I don't want to give like a concrete date and it even get pushed up maybe. But basically what I'm saying is nothing is really set in stone with these Jordan 1 releases. Now originally when I first got this shoe, I thought I was gonna be super early because I mean it's a March sneaker. As of today, I'm not sure when you're gonna be watching this video, but this video was recorded January 24th. So already is January 24th and it's like 9 videos already out with this Air Jordan 1. Like, sneaker YouTube, bro, you gotta love it. Regardless, I am super excited to bring y'all this video because I think it has the potential to be one of the most sought after Jordan 1s in 2021. And the reason why that's important because it's only the first month in 2021 and the sneaker is only supposed to come out the 3rd month of 2021. That leaves a lot of year left, and sometimes when shoes come out this early, a lot of people forget about, you know, what came out because they kind of recency bias. So I'm gonna let y'all be the judge, but without further ado, let's get our first look at the Air Jordan 1 UNC. Here we have the package in, man. The pack came in. Shout out, because I'm gonna be honest with y'all, it took me some time to get my hands on this sneaker, and I ain't gonna hold you, I had to go through the mud to get these, but I finally got them, and I had to pay a steep price. Okay, so when it comes to buying sneakers early, a lot of people think like sneaker YouTubers got like this type of plug or something like that. I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. I can't speak for everybody else, but sometimes, bro, your boy Snipe gotta pay that price. And this was one time I really didn't mind because this was a sneaker I knew y'all wanted to see. And more importantly, I mean, I thought it was worth the investment. So let's check it out, right? We got the regular Air Jordan 1 box. And honestly, I'm not, bro, that's upside down. Honestly, I'm not really mad at the regular Air Jordan 1 box. For a sneaker like this, the attention that it's getting, I ain't gonna hold you. I would've liked to see something else. Maybe like some type of special packaging, but it's not something that's gonna make me not want to buy the shoe, so it is what it is. So let's see what these look like. Let's finally lay my eyes on this. The first time we get an Air Jordan 1 UNC. The first time I'm laying my eyes on these, and I'm not gonna hold you, bro, I'm liking these a lot. Like a lot, like a whole bunch. A lot, okay, a lot. Now, not only because it go with the do-rag, you know what I'm saying? Let me move that. It do go with the do-rag snipe in the building, yeah? But this is hard. This shoe is hard. It deserves the praise it's getting. It deserves the love it's getting. And I know for a fact, man, you know, this is gonna be one of those sneakers that's gonna be some trouble. Like, when you review sneakers and you in a community and you know what people want, and you run across something like this, you kind of have an idea on what people are looking for and what people really gonna go crazy over. So I'm not surprised of the hoopla this shoe's been getting, man. I ain't gonna lie at all. Now, like I said earlier, this sneaker is supposed to set to release in March. The retail price for this is $170, which is pretty much standard for any Jordan 1. It's not like a collab or something like a Travis Scott, J Balvin, something like that. It'd be like $190 maybe. So, I mean, it's a standard Jordan 1 price. And like I said, bro, it's definitely going to be an uproar for these. Now, since these are the Air Jordan 1 UNC, it's only right that I compare them to the Air Jordan 1 UNC. Now, this pair is more of a UNC than this pair. I would actually call this like a powder blue. This Jordan 1 UNC is like a powder blue. This is like the actual you know what? Hold on. Now that I think about it, this is actually more UNC colors than the UNC. Like when I think of a UNC basketball jersey, that Tar Heels color is actually closer than this than it is to this. But since this came out first, we're just gonna call it the OG. On top of that, I would beg to differ. This is one of the best Air Jordan 1s of all time. I actually like this Air Jordan 1 UNC more than the Off-White UNC. And I don't really care who go against me on the grain on that. Like, I said it, I'm sticking to my guns. If you ask me which UNC would I have between these two, it'd definitely have to be this one, not only just because of the time point this came out. I mean, I think it's one of the better ones to ever release, in my opinion. I really do. However, since we are naming this one a Jordan 1 UNC, I thought it was only right that I show y'all this one. But let me put that, you know, back in the back. Now, the suede on this Air Jordan 1 is silky smooth. And I do mean silky smooth. It's suede around the entire toe box of the sneaker. It's suede on the back heel of the sneaker, suede on the uppers. Rejuvenator water stain repellent is the #1 suede protector in the world. So if you plan on owning these Air Jordan 1 UNCs, or if you have any other sneakers in your collection, especially when it comes to suede, I just want to be honest with y'all. Suede has to be the worst material that can run into anything liquid. It leaves stains. It leaves dark spots. If I was to pour water on this Air Jordan 1 right now, the suede on this sneaker will be ruined. It'll have dark marks. It's hard to dry. It's a very complicated and irritating thing. Even though I love suede on any Jordan, on any shoe, it's just some material that does not react well with water or anything liquid. In my hand right now, I have the water and stain repellent from Rejuvenator. It's very simple, very easy to use. And right now, Rejuvenator is offering 10%. The link is down below. Everything on the site is 10% off. Take advantage of that now. So all you do is shake this up pretty well. You spray this on it just like that, and you let it sit for about 5 to 6 hours. And just like that, bro, your shoe becomes waterproof, stain-proof, and carefree. Rejuvenator does have a lot more options over there, but I just like to vouch for what I use on a daily. They have hundreds of options over there for you guys to either clean or prevent your shoes from being dirty. But this is something that I stand by to the max because I use this. I go through like a can of this a week because I'm literally spraying it on all of my sneakers. I know how it works. I know how it performs. I've done multiple videos on it, so I don't mind leaning my neck out and saying if you own anything worth protecting, you need to buy this. It's not even expensive, and especially if you use my discount code. But anyway, man, let's get into the overall breakdown of the sneaker. We're going to start off with the outer sole, okay? So this Jordan 1 outer sole has this all UNC blue outer sole. If you've seen one Jordan 1 outer sole, you pretty much just seen them all. The midsole is white. They didn't choose to go with a sail midsole, and I agree. This white looks amazing, especially it complements the toe box and the side panel. Now, like I said earlier, the suede on this sneaker is definitely, it feels amazing. Buttery smooth. You can see the change in direction on the suede, and they didn't go cheap on the material that we all know, okay? We all know when it comes to Jordan 1s, it's make or break when it comes down to the material. This amazing leather on the toe box. I mean, this is some, you know what? This is bread toe leather. So if y'all remember how good the leather was on the bread toe, the side panel and the toe box mirrors the exact same leather that was on the Jordan 1 bread toe. Black Nike swoosh right here on the side of the sneaker, as we all see. Moving up to the top, we get the Air Jordan 1 wing logo, and then we get the back on the back heel. They do come with spare laces, which is the UNC blue. I like that they didn't come with white laces. I actually thought that they might. And I want to look in both, but not to bite my foot off, you know what I'm saying, before I say something like that. But I mean, they do have the spare laces in UNC, but in my opinion, I think I would keep mine black because I just think it's a dope touch. Seeing a lot of people with these joints early, but it still doesn't mean that, you know, come release date, they not gonna be breaking heads and breaking necks to get more pairs. I just finished up doing a how to lace your Air Jordan 1 video. If nobody's seen that video, I'll leave a link down below or a card above me. I gave 3 simple, easy ways to style your Air Jordan 1s. I did it the loose way, I did it the tie-up way. Definitely check out that video if you're new to Air Jordan 1s, if you don't have any, or if you just wanted to figure out some new lace styles, man. I think that video was very helpful for any of my beginners out there or any of my people that want to switch up the laces with the Air Jordan 1s. Now, these will be pretty much available anywhere. Foot Locker, Foot Action, Finish Line, Kick Theory is a store that I always go to out here in Atlanta. I'm pretty sure they're gonna have these. Even if you don't live in Atlanta, you can buy them online, or if you do live in Georgia, you can pull up at Kick Theory. I'm pretty sure they will have these too. But thank you guys so much for coming through for another video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. 100K is the goal. Like, comment, all that good stuff, man. It is your boy Sniper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous. We're really putting in that work though. Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.